Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best styrene sheet is probably one of the most versatile and essential materials for any DIY enthusiast or professional looking to create stunning lampshades, offering a perfect blend of durability, light diffusion, and ease of use that can transform any lighting project into a work of art, making it an indispensable component for crafting unique and personalized home decor that truly shines. Number 5. NUVADERMIS Silicone Scar Sheets. Tired of old and new scars affecting your confidence? Our premium silicone scar sheets are designed to effectively manage various types of scars, promoting comprehensive healing and skin repair. Experience the difference of medical-grade silicone. These sheets are crafted to improve the appearance of your scars, enhancing color, texture, and smoothness for visibly better skin. Enjoy comfortable, 24-hour wear with our soft and breathable silicone sheets. They are easy to use, can be cut to size, and leave no residue, making scar management simple. We believe quality matters for effective scar improvement. Our non-invasive solution is developed with expert input, using top-grade materials to ensure you achieve the best possible results. Rest assured, our silicone scar patches are rigorously tested for safety and effectiveness. Manufactured under strict standards, they provide optimal support for healing and scar management. What we like. This product offers advanced silicone scar treatment for a variety of scars. It's made from medical-grade silicone and is reusable, allowing you to cut it to size. If you are looking for an effective and customizable solution for scar management, this is a great choice. What people say. They're very soft, flexible, and easy to cut to length, which makes them highly functional for different areas. The adhesive works extremely well. I can leave them on for multiple days at a time without peeling or shifting, and they stay comfortable even with regular movement. One of the biggest benefits I've noticed is pain relief and skin softening. Keeping them on for extended periods noticeably reduces sensitivity and discomfort, and when removed, the skin feels smoother and more relaxed. Over time, there has also been visible improvement in texture, which speaks to their effectiveness when used consistently. It goes on easily and adheres well. One of the best things I like about it is that it makes it so much easier to massage my scar. I can't speak to the final result yet as I have only used this tape for about 2 weeks, but I can already feel that it is not as raised and is much smoother. Number 4. Aspen Creative 31261 Transitional Drum Lampshade. Introducing a classic drum-shaped lampshade crafted from beautiful white linen fabric. Its clean lines and neutral color complement any decor. Experience a warm and inviting ambience. This shade is made with high-quality virgin styrene for a smooth, appealing light diffusion. It features a sturdy brass spider fitter designed for easy attachment to a lamp harp. Please note, the harp and finial are sold separately. With dimensions of 8 inches top, 8 inches bottom, and 11 inches height, this shade is ideal for many table and floor lamps. Trust Aspen Creative for stylish and affordable lighting solutions. We offer a wide range of products designed with current trends in mind. Simply attach it to your existing lamp harp for an instant style upgrade. Enjoy a refreshed look in minutes. What we like. This lampshade features a classic white linen fabric and a hardback styrene backing for a smooth, warm light. It comes with a brass spider fitter designed for harp attachment. If you prefer a traditional drum shape and a clean, elegant look for your lamp, this would be an excellent option. What people say. The styrene sheet is a great material for lampshades, offering good light diffusion and durability. It's easy to cut and shape, making it ideal for DIY lampshade projects. The sheet is rigid enough to hold its shape well, ensuring a professional-looking finished product. Number 3. DIY Lampshade Adhesive Styrene Sheet. This is the professional choice for lampshade liners, offering durability and the perfect translucency for light to shine through. Its flame-resistant properties ensure safety and longevity for your creations. Design a lampshade that perfectly matches your unique style and decor. You have complete control over its height, length, color, and pattern, allowing for endless creative possibilities. Don't discard old lampshades. Easily restore them to their former glory by replacing the old liner with this adhesive styrene. You can salvage existing rings and give your old shade new life. The strong adhesive backing attaches securely to a wide variety of materials, including velvet, paper, burlap, and leather. This makes it incredibly versatile for any design you envision. Creating your own custom lampshade is surprisingly simple, even for beginners. In about an hour, you can craft a professional-looking lampshade with minimal effort. Choose from a range of heights and lengths to perfectly suit your project. Simply determine your desired dimensions and select the appropriate size for a custom fit. What we like. This is an adhesive styrene sheet designed for DIY lampshade making. It's flame-resistant, durable, and allows you to create custom shades with any material. If you enjoy crafting and want to personalize your home decor by making your own unique lampshades, this product is perfect for you. What people say. It was so easy to use and the adhesive backing worked great. It's a little thicker than the original stuff, but the quality is fantastic and I'm sure it will last a long time. I like that the styrene is white so that it doesn't block light considering that the shade fabric has darker colors. Number 2. Lampshades.com 9x10 by 7.5 Drum Lampshade. Introducing our classic drum lampshade, designed to bring a touch of elegance to any room. Its timeless shape complements various decor styles. Measuring 9 inches at the top and 10 inches at the bottom, with a slant height of 7.5 inches, it offers a balanced and refined look. Featuring a standard slip Uno attachment, it easily slips over your lamp socket. The attachment is recessed 6 inches down from the top. Crafted with a beautiful linen white covering, this shade provides a soft and inviting illumination. It's designed for a maximum bulb wattage of 40 watts. Proudly custom-made in the USA with a durable nickel hardware finish. No assembly is required, making it ready to enhance your space right away. Please verify the inner diameter size needed for your lamp. This shade is compatible with Uno-style sockets only and may not fit Nord or European styles. What we like. This lampshade is covered in linen white and features a slip Uno attachment, recessed 6 inches from the top. It's custom-made in the USA and designed for Uno-style sockets. If you have a lamp with a Uno-style socket and are looking for a ready-to-use, elegantly finished shade, this would be a suitable choice. What people say. It is a simple lamp shade that comes fully assembled. It looks great and is a great value for the price. This shade is quality, nice material, color and size exactly as described. It was delivered quickly and packaged well. I didn't have to construct it. Great lampshade. Matches other lampshades perfectly. Good value for quality product. Number 1. Lampshades.com set of 2 lampshades. Introducing our set of 2 beautiful lampshades, designed to bring a bright white elegance to any room. These shades are crafted with care and attention to detail. Each lampshade features a 10-inch top diameter and a 12-inch bottom diameter, with an 8-inch slant height. They are designed to fit lamps with an existing harp, making installation a breeze. The washer attachment style ensures a secure fit on your lamp. It has a standard 1-2-inch drop, providing a clean and professional look. These lampshades are handmade in the USA, ensuring superior quality and durability. The bright white covering is complemented by white binding tape for a refined finish. You will receive 2 stunning bright white lampshades in this set. Elevate your home decor with these stylish and well-made additions. The included hardware features a sleek nickel finish, adding a touch of modern sophistication to your lamps. What we like. This is a set of 2 lampshades with a bright white covering and a washer attachment, designed to work with a lamp harp. They are handmade in the USA. If you need matching lampshades for a pair of lamps that use a harp, and appreciate handmade quality, this set is an ideal selection. What people say. These shades arrive fully assembled and are high quality. They look great and I am very pleased with them. These are simple and eloquent and give my room the modern appeal I was looking for. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.